I checked and rechecked my calculations. The writer checked his calculations again and again. We had lost our main compass, and I was using a spare which has not been corrected for magnetic variation. So he says that they had lost their main compass, but he was using a spare, but the spare was not corrected. I made an allowance for this and another estimate of the influence of the westerly currents which flow through this part of the Indian Ocean. So he applied his idea. He thought for something. An idea came to his mind and he thought for a while. उन्होंने एक विचार किया that he thought that this part of the Indian Ocean having westerly currents. तब उनको पता चला कि इंडियन ओशन का जो वो पार्ट था, जिस पार्ट से वो लोग सेल कर रहे थे, वो यात्रा कर रहे थे, वहाँ जो वेस्टर्ली करंट्स हैं, वेस्टर्ली हवा तेज चलता है उधर, उसको उन्होंने याद किया. About 2 p.m. I went on deck and asked Larry to steer a course of 180 degree. And at 2 p.m. he went on to deck and asked Larry, who was controlling the steering, that he should steer a course of 185 degree. 185 degree उसको मोड़ने के लिए कहे. If we were lucky, I told him with a conviction I did not feel, he could expect to see the island at about 5 p.m. तो उन्होंने कहा, turn the ship 185 degree and if we are lucky, we will reach the island by 5 p.m. But he was not convinced himself also. उनको खुद को भी भरोसा नहीं था कि वो जो बोल रहे हैं वो सही बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने अंदाजा लगाकर ऐसा कहा था. Then with a heavy heart I went below, climbed on my bunk and amazingly dozed off. So then he went into the his cabin, and amazingly he fell asleep for a while. When I woke, it was 6 p.m. When he woke up, it was 6 p.m. and growing dark. It was getting dark. I knew we must have missed the island, and with the sail we had left. And he thought, when he saw outside it was getting dark, he thought that they missed the island, and with the sail we had left, we couldn't hope to beat back into the westerly winds. उन्होंने सोचा कि जो वेस्टर्ली विंड है उसको पार करके या उसको मात देकर आगे सेल कर पाना बहुत मुश्किल था. At that moment a tousled head appeared by my bunk. ठीक उसी समय एक tousled head means जिसका सिर फुला हुआ था वो वहां पे पहुंचा. Can I have a hug? Jonathan asked. Jonathan ने कहा, क्या मैं आपको हग कर सकता हूं? Sue was right behind him, and just behind Jonathan there was Sue also. That means the writer's son and daughter came into the cabin. Why am I getting a hug now? I asked. The writer asked कि आप मुझे अभी क्यों हग करना चाहते हैं? Because you are the best daddy in the whole world and the best captain, the son replied. They said, you are the best daddy as well as the best captain in the world. Not today, John, I'm afraid. But the writer said, I'm not the best daddy or the best captain today. Why you must be? The son said, why you must be? Why you must be, said Sue in a matter-of-fact voice. You found the island. Then Sue added that you have found the island and you must be proud of yourself, Dad. And you are the best captain. What? I shouted. The writer shouted. What? It's out there in front of us, they chorused. And both the boy and the girl said together, the island is just in front of us. As big as a battleship. It is just as big as a battleship. एक युद्ध पोत जो होता है, बैटलशिप होता है, उसके जितना बड़ा एक आइलैंड सामने दिख रहा है.